What's up, you guys? The altcoin doomsday prophecy is coming. And is it only going to be things like Chainlink? Is it going to be Tron and Bittorrent? Never Tron and Bittorrent. Bittorrent and Tron preppers, if you like that term. Hit that bell if you're new. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment down below. Help me out with the algorithm. I'm going to soon wanting to do a mystery, I'm going to be wanting to do a soon mystery giveaway that's going to be cool for you guys. And I'd like you to help me out by helping me with the algo. So hit the bell, subscribe, help out the channel, and comment down below. Let me know what you think of Doomsday. And what I mean by all this, I'm going to go do a flash round through the news, and then I'm going to cover the Doomsday altcoin prophecy that I think you all need to know about. And I'm going to share some cool insights with everybody. So let's go to, we got September 2nd, it's 2021, and it's 5:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got Bitcoin sitting at $49,791.54. We got Ethereum doing the wild thing, 37.36. We got Cardano, first time ever, breaking $3. Really interesting what's happening with Cardano. We got Binance Coin trying to break 500 at 490. We've got XRP at 126. We got the Dogecoin at 30 cents. And we got Polkadot at 32.23. Let's see where Tron's sitting right this moment. Where is Tron? There you are, wanting to hit that 10-cent mark again. And a viewer asked me the other day that I was chatting with, I'd like you to really, stick with your Tron price points and so forth and predictions, and don't, they don't like so much when I forget which viewer it is. You got to forgive me because, I go through a lot of data, a lot of info throughout the course of a day with internet marketing, crypto, and my businesses. But I remember the conversation. I think it's Dawson. So, of course, it's a Tron BitTorrent channel, but I need to talk about other topics. And my Tron view, especially in BitTorrent, is more of a long term. I don't try to pick points, snapshots in time. I try not to do that too often. I do it sometimes, but they're more of a big window view where I just say, buy the dips because I believe strongly in the projects, the Tron project, the BitTorrent project, simply because they have real products, they have real value behind them and real volume. However, I'll do something for you, Dawson. I see 11 cents, possibly 12 in the next 10 days, and I see BitTorrent not doing too much in the next 10 days, but I do see it possibly hitting the 3/4 mark of a penny by the end of the year. My long-termers, like you guys know, if you guys are paying attention watching the videos, is $1 for Tron and 25 cents for BTT by latest 2023. Now, let's go and see what BTT actually has up its sleeve here. What do we got? I think I passed over it. I think I passed over BTT. Gotta love the off-the-cuff videos. Where are you, BTT? 0045. Cool. All right. We got Justin Sun purchases the Joker T-Punk. Joker used to be a name of one of my Doberman pinchers. NFT for 10.5 milli. Justin knows how to keep himself in the news. He knows how to, and this is a valuable skill when you back it up with real projects. Unlike a lot of altcoins that are going to get slammed, bankrupt, eviscerated, you're going to see, guys, when I say Tron and BitTorrent preppers, what I mean by that is, yes, there's people out in the woods with not much money and they're preppers and they're trying to just, dig holes in the ground and find out where and when, if the apocalypse occurs, where they're going to hide underground, how they're going to stash all their canned foods and supplies needed for survival. And then there's the elite that have wealth, that are building or buying multi-million-dollar bunkers, that are stocked with the best of foods, the best of really preservatives of life as we know it, and are prepared to survive, if need be, for years, not as we know it now. Well, in the crypto community, I think Tron and Bittorrent are those prepper devices. So what I'm saying is, and it's just my opinion, so do not by any chance take it as investment advice at all whatsoever. But if you want to be, in my opinion, safe in terms of projects not getting vaporized, you want to go heavy in on Tron and BitTorrent because they are the ones that are the real deal. You are going to see things like, well, VeChain disintegrate. You are going, in my opinion, you are going to see in the next 2 years 50%, yeah, 50%. And if you agree, please hit the bell, subscribe, like, and comment down below. And comment down below if you don't agree and tell me why. 50% of the projects are going to get vaporized. The altcoins are going to go away and people are going to get ripped a new one for buying into the hype train. The hype is good only if it's backed by a real project. So let's do a flash dance through the news. Like I said, we got 10.5 million Joker T-Punk being bought by Justin Sun. We got a British tween earns almost 400K on NFT sales without a bank account. You know, in my teens, when I first really got introduced to and got familiar with and got better at just marketing in general, I think I was making about $1,000. I was making 50 grand a year, and by my early 20s, I was making 250 grand, a little bit more per year. And this reminds me of myself a little bit in the sense that no, NFTs weren't around then, obviously, but you know, it's so exciting and cool when you stumble into something that you focus on and become really good at and get that emotional reward and then that monetary reward. Look how cool this is. It's Benjamin Ahmed created and tokenized digital pictures of whale emojis and sold them in the form of NFTs during school vacation. One of the few articles I read in advance before presenting it to you guys. The thing is, see, one of the reasons things are going to implode and NFT projects are going to be one of them. A lot are going to survive, but a lot are going to get into a lot of trouble. The recent NFT boom has unknowingly reintroduced uncertainty to the crypto ecosystem. As discussed in an opinion piece, the NFT landscape is yet to establish an infrastructure, fighting back a burp, that respects the copyright laws for both the creators and the purchasers. There's going to be fraud. There are going to be copyright laws. There's going to be a doomsday, the likes of which has not really occurred out in the open, where projects implode and lives are destroyed. So I'm telling you guys, I can't stress it enough. Stick to projects that you research, that you know have real products and services that solve a problem, fill a need, or provide huge, huge amounts of entertainment that are really fun to use. Those are the ones to go the full Monty and not get, slaughtered, basically. Chainlink doomsday prediction. Zeus Capital warns investors not to get fooled. Zeus Capital has doubled down on its doomsday predictions on Chainlink. It is now warning investors, don't get fooled, exit your positions before it is too late. By the way, I found these articles after I actually put together the header and the, I'm drawing a blank, the thumbnail, all this stuff, because it wasn't brought to my attention by the media and articles written. I believe this and know this for a long time, and it will come to fruition, and I do want to warn everyone to be cautious. And then, as I started searching Doomsday, I found a couple decent articles, and that's how this whole sequence of events came to be for today's video. The assessment management firm involved assessment follows a sharp decline in the price of the link in the last couple of weeks. So go read this whole article if you want. Bitcoin.com is the source, and if you just punch into any search engine, or you can go to Google, Zeus Capital warns investors not to get fooled, you'll get to the point of it. There's a reason why Charles Hoskinson is hooked up with CoinFirm and why they want to have that security there. And it's because of the doomsday that's coming for the altcoins. Cardano will not be one of them. Cardano will be strong and will moon and continue to moon over time. Yes, there'll be corrections. However, I think at this point it's still very undervalued. Decentralized search engine becomes default option on European Android devices. ADA hits $3 for the first time. Yes, we know. We got more nifty NBA stars. We got Steph Curry messing around with the NFTs. We got VeChain Thor reaching 10 million. Be careful. We got the warning, stay away from the Doge, and back to the prices. You guys have a great day. Hope you're healthy, happy. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.